Good morning, we're here in Fayetteville, Tennessee today to show Blue Line Gun Lube's ability to maintain its lubricity properties through a caliber that we all know to be notoriously dirty, the .22 caliber, and we're taking it a step further and we're suppressing it. We're going to put a shit ton of ammunition through it today, through an M&P 1522, and see how it works.
Nice cadence.
Thanks. Going like a champ. So that was it, guys. That was 500 rounds of the cheapest ammo we could find. We had a couple light primer strikes, but we can't really blame the lube for that. The lube did its job. We're about to take a Q-tip to the bolt and see how dirty it is. Ran flawlessly. Alright guys, we just went through 500 rounds of the dirtiest ammo we could find, and we're going to show how easily the carbon wipes off the bolt. It's a Q-tip, it's not wet, there's nothing on it already. We put 500 rounds through it and we're just going to keep going. Behind the frame. Okay, our current round count is 650 rounds, and we have not cleaned or re-lubed this firearm, and we're just going to keep going. Slowing down.
Should have lubed the mags.
Our current round count is 800 rounds. We're just going to keep going. And if you're a liberal watching this, you're going to love the butterflies. Keep landing on me.
Is that all 6?
That puts us at 950 rounds. Yeah, 950 rounds so far. All right, our current round count is 950 rounds. We're going to keep going.
So that puts us over 1,000.
That puts us over 1,000 rounds. So it's been 500 rounds since we took this cotton swab and ran it across the bolt, and 500 more rounds. Here we go. Wiped right off. Holy crap. Look at that. How much stuff is built up in the back.
Nasty. Watch yourself on the suppressor.
The majority of the heat transfer and carbon buildup is here on the face of the bolt. It's still hot. We're going to see how easily it wipes off. Can you see it in the shot? Oh, it's hot. Oh, it wiped right off. Still lubed.
Not the inside of the rails.
Oh, it's hot.
Still wet.
Oh my God, bro! We gotta get a video of this falling into my hand. You ready?
Your hand could be right here.
Your hand can too.
Okay.
Ready?
Woo! That is everything that would normally be
On your
inside the action of your gun that came off the bolt. Detergents and dispersants doing their work.